Hi everyone. So the next method in contiguous memory allocation is dynamic partitioning. So we have already seen the fixed partitioning, and fixed partitioning is suffering from various problems. It suffered from various problems like internal fragmentation, external fragmentation, limitation of process size, and all this problem would be resolved slowly. So in dynamic partitioning, let's see how dynamic partition is better compared to the fixed partitioning. So dynamic partition is generally based on the process size. So here partition is based on process size. Got it? For example, let's say we have main memory. Some part of main memory is occupied by the operating system, and let's say we have requirement of process P1 have size 1 MB, process P2 have size 2 MB, process P3 have size 4 MB, process P4 have size, let's say, 6 MB. Okay, so based on the size of the processes, we allocate we partition the memory. So process P1, process P2, process P3 and process P4 all would be fitted in their required space. Okay, now so clearly here the problem of internal fragmentation is resolved. So no internal fragmentation. So I generally abbreviated internal fragmentation as IF and external fragmentation as EF. So no internal fragmentation is occurred in dynamic partitioning. And what about the external fragmentation? External fragmentation is generally this if you sum up the different vacant space. If they sum up the different vacant space at different location, and if you sum up them, and this particular new space is sufficiently allocate the new process, but we would not allocate it because due to the requirement of continuous space of the process in this contiguous memory allocation, that is external fragmentation. And here external fragmentation is still occurred. Why? Because let's say you have spaced P1 as here and some space is remaining. Okay, and after that you allocate process P2 here, then again some space is remaining. So due to that free space in the random location, external fragmentation is still occurred. So external fragmentation is possible in dynamic partitioning. So DP means dynamic partitioning. Okay, so in dynamic partitioning, internal fragmentation problem is not occurred, and as well as the limitation of process size is also resolved, but external fragmentation problem is still occurred. So we have to look some other approach to solve this external fragmentation problem. Okay, so in the next video we will see the other approach of memory management technique to solve external fragmentation problem.